Hello my people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Aisha Nariksa. For those who know me, karibu sana, and for those who don't know me, what I do here, I do beauty, lifestyle and fashion. And for today I'm going to show you guys on how to do like your eyebrows as simple as possible, step by step, for beginners, so stay tuned. So for a start, I'm going to take this brush, my spoolie, and I'm going to be using this eye pencil. It's in the number 001. It's in black shade. I love black a lot. I do more of black than brown. So let's begin. So the first step is get your spoolie and brush those brows like upwards on the direction you want them to go first. So like mine, I'm just going upwards. So for the next one, I'm going to begin like over here. I'm not going to start at the beginning where the other one started from. I'm just going to start like from curved than the one that goes slanting. So this is more like sharp. It can clean your edges. We're going to clean, we're clean your eyebrows. So what we're going to do is clean it, and I'm going to be using these two shades. This is Elegant Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn, and this is my Fit Me foundation. So this I'm going to be applying like at the upper part, and this at the lower part. So thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe, hit the notification button just in case I get to upload like a new video, you get notified. And for those who have subscribed, thank you so much for coming back. So stay tuned for the next video.